Alright, so this is Scaryghilles here, and we're just about to do an airsoft battle here, so I have my gear here. Yes, Ninja and Fail, custom airsoft emblems I made. Oh cool, it's in HD. So, yeah, we're just getting ready to own some peoples and trying to see if I can get a quick view of them. They might even be sneaking around here. Yeah, they probably will. Oh, that's a dog. I thought that was someone. Fat thing making a noise. I'm like, oh gosh, it's a zombie. So, yeah, this is sniping here with my L96A1. This is my friend's shotgun. So, yeah. Here's a better view of the Ninja one. You know, custom made it. Do you see one? Okay. There's one walking. It's clear so far. Just waiting and being quiet like we're deer hunting almost. Alright. Yeah, so we'll see how we do. We're probably gonna get owned right here. See anyone?